Use plentyoffish.com dating service. People who are looking for companionship, love, and pleasure use online dating sites. There are serious sites for the lonely kind, and there are naughty sites for people who just want a good time. Plenty of Fish is a popular dating site because it mixes serious with naughty. Find a true love on the website or find a one-night stand. If you are looking for any of these or both, then you have come to the right place. Here is a quick tutorial on how to use this particular dating service. Log on to Plenty of Fish website. Learn and get accustomed to the website's interface. On the home page, there will be a box where you can join as a new member or log on as a returning member. If you're new to this, make a new account first. Think of a unique username and password for your account. You will need to include personal information like your gender, birth date, country, and ethnicity when registering for an account. You will need a valid email address as well. To complete the process, agree to the terms and conditions of the site. Edit your Plenty of Fish profile. Choose a photo that tells something about your personality. It will help you find a match. State your hobbies, and the dating category that you're currently interested in. It can be long-term, just hanging out, dating, or intimacy. Make sure to include detailed information about yourself such as your interests, hobbies, and favorites. Anything that will allow anyone viewing your profile to know more about you. Take the chemistry test. This examination will measure 5 dimensions of your personality, which are vital in building romance. In this test, your self-confidence, family orientation, self-control, openness/social dependency, and easygoingness will be tested. The website will generate possible date matches based on your statistics. Take the Relationship Needs Assessment exam. It will determine, in detail, what you need to do to effectively find a desired relationship. The assessment will also give you proper guidance to practice the examination results. Put your assessment into test. You'll get specific action plans and custom-made guidance based on your examinations. The action plans and guidance outline particular topics and questions that you can explore with a probable partner to determine if both of you fit together. Browse and find probable future partners. You'll see the people online in the thumbnail profile pictures on the main page. Click a person that you would like to view. The basic information you'll see includes the person's city, astrological sign, height, age, relationship, smoker status, ethnicity, body type, religion, and chemistry. Below it you will be able to see more information about her, like what she is seeking for, if she drinks, her marital status and profession. Her intention in joining the site and her relationship history are also included. There's also an essay depicting her intentions and herself better. The profile of her preferred first date is also included to help you imagine the kind of person she is. It's vital so you and your prospective romance can determine if there's a need for another date or not. Send a message to the person you are interested in. Check the message before sending it. You need to write a message that will interest her in order to get a response. If successful, the person will reply to you. And that may well be the start of a budding romance. From there, you can continue the correspondence and maybe even set up your first date.